Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful feature on the Lloyds Bank app for 2025, how to hide transactions. Whether you're sharing your device with family or just want to keep your financial details private, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Lloyds app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. This feature is all about privacy, so security is key. Always use a strong PIN or biometric login. Step 1. Open the Lloyds app and head to your dashboard. You'll see your accounts listed here. Tap on the one where you want to manage transactions. Step 2. Scroll down to the Transactions section. This is where all your recent activities are displayed. Look for the specific transaction you want to hide. You can search by date or amount if needed. Step 3. Once you've selected a transaction, tap on it to open the details. Now, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to more options. Step 4. In the menu, select Hide Transaction or something similar. The 2025 update might label it as Archive or Privacy Mode. Confirm your choice when prompted. It might ask for additional verification like your PIN. Step 5. Voila! The transaction should now be hidden from your main list. To view hidden transactions later, go back to the menu and select View Hidden Items. Remember, this doesn't delete the transaction, it's just out of sight for privacy. A quick tip. Always double-check the app's settings for any auto-hide features, and be aware that hiding transactions doesn't affect your bank statements or tax records. If you run into any issues, contact Lloyds support directly. There you have it. Easy steps to take control of your privacy on the Lloyds app. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.